How to see your follow request on your Instagram. Open Instagram, then top right corner three dotted line, press on account center. From here your information and permission, then press on download information. Then I already sent a request, press on download or transfer. Now select your accounts. Now press on sum of your information and select which you want. Suppose I want the following and contact not no. Press on next. Now download to device, transfer to destination. I want to download to my device. Enter your email. You can customize your date range as well. Press on create file. Now it's pending. Within a 30 minute or 40 minute you able to see this kind of interface. Press on download. Now enter your password, then press on download. Now go to your file manager. I am using the iPhone. Then find where it will be download. Press on download this one, unzip it. Successfully press on again. Go to connection. Now you can see the follow and followers. Now here it is. This is the following and this is the followers. Press on followers, then you can see all of your followers. Request, send request. That's it. So this is how you can easily see your request, follow and following list on your Instagram. So don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.